How to access Google Photos to other devices. Firstly, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. Now you have to click on it. Now we are going to know how to access Google Photos to other devices, how we can send the Google Photos to another devices. This can be applied on the Android as well as iPhone. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Select any of the photo from here which you want to share to other uh, devices or other apps you have to share, and you can see here different apps will appear here. Click on the more icon. You will send any of the photo or video from here and select any of the app. Click on send. You can also send by taking link of that picture or photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.